So this is Robbie and I's demo. So we'll go ahead, go into the main screen. We see that we have the city, the temperature, the high, the low, and the timestamp. If you want to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you can go ahead and do that by pressing that first button. Once it refreshes, it'll do that. Then you could convert back to Fahrenheit if you want. And then with the press of button C, you could change the zip code, and then you'll get that value, that city, on the main screen. So going on into the local temperature and humidity screen, we get temperature and humidity values from the SHT-40, and we're getting local temperature and humidity, relative humidity. When we press the button B, we should be able to get a conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius. And then along with that, we're getting the timestamp from the latest readings from the sensor. As I go up and press the sensor, it should raise the temperature and the humidity slowly. And then as I let go, it should also drop down accordingly. If you want to see that in Fahrenheit, we could go ahead and do that. And then we can also demonstrate the VCNL sensor. So the VCNL sensor is the light and proximity sensor. As I bring my hand up close to it, it brings up the display brightness because there's less ambient light around it. And then when I actually just put my finger down on it, it completely turns down on it. It completely turns off because we don't have any proximity to the sensor. So that's the demo.